Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open your Instagram profile and tap the three-line menu in the top right. Then tap Archive to view your saved stories and posts in one place. Next, tap the three dots inside the Archive view to open Archive settings and management options. In Archive settings, you will see Story Archive toggle and Save options for future stories. Use these controls to change whether stories save automatically or to prepare items for deletion. Stay on this screen before you select any story to remove permanently. Scroll the Story Archive to find the story you want to delete from your history. Tap the story to open it fully and then tap the three dots menu for available actions. Choose Delete from the menu to remove that story from the archive permanently. Confirm the deletion when prompted so the app removes all archived data for that story. Remember, deletion is permanent and cannot be undone after confirmation. Repeat this process for each archived story you want to remove now. Use Delete All or remove stories one by one if you want to clear the archive permanently. To stop future saves, turn off the Story Archive toggle in Archive settings now. Be aware that deleted stories are removed permanently and cannot be recovered later. If you want a backup, download stories to your device before deleting any items. Check your downloads folder and cloud storage for saved copies before you confirm. After deletion, the archive will no longer show those stories or story.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.